Park here. This is 1 year after the year where we had like Lola and Queenston making a nest, like on the other side of the gazebo, and a cygnet. And now there's a different pair of swans with a nest over here. See, it's a nest. There's 6 eggs in here. But then, how do you explain that there's a nest with 2 eggs on the over here? Remember, Lola made the nest over there. And then how do you explain the fact that there's a flooded nest over here? I mean, a nest over here. Well, there's a nest over here with 2 eggs in here. No swan has been sitting on it. And there's the male swan. Lola made her nest over there last year. This is 1 year after the Queenston and Lola. The answer? This nest might have flooded. A mute swan has a clutch of 8 to 12 eggs, and there are 2 in here, and then there's 6 in there, which means it adds up to 8. But you see how close the water line is to the nest? It's like right up to the nest. Unlike the other one, there's a couple inches or centimeters, and there's been a lot of rain lately, and the water rose up even higher than up there. And adding the fact this is the combined thing, combines rainwater with the sewer, and then we never stop using the sewer. And then the rain is also connected here, so in rainy days, the nest may have flooded, and then the swans, no matter what time they are, trumpeter, tundra, mute swan, if their nest floods, they abandon the nest and its eggs and then move the nest to another spot. And then if you can see that nest, if you remember it, it's above the water line right now. So what may have happened, I'm guessing, is that this nest flooded when the swan laid 2 eggs in there, and then they ditched the nest and then swam over here and then started making it over here, and then laid the rest of the 6 eggs in the nest over here. Because as you can see, it's not that finished, but it's above the water line a couple of centimeters, and the water line's like this. And 2 years ago, they used to have a nest over there when the water's low. And earlier I saw the male swan adding sticks to the nest. Here's the sleeping female swan. So that is what I think. So yeah.